Following this video guide will help you to understand how to get rid of pop-up alerts that are coming from the site Re-directing.xyz. Re-directing.xyz. At the first glance, when you look at these pop-ups, you could come to the conclusion that they try to help you watch certain video, but in reality there is no any video here. The pop-up by Re-directing.xyz simply tries to basically make you subscribe to its intrusive push notifications. It says that you need to tap this allow button, but as soon as people do that, their browser gets hijacked and infected. People start facing advertisements popping up in the right bottom part of the screen, plus they may be redirected to some other questionable or spam websites. If you have clicked on that allow button, surely that was a mistake, but the good thing is that it can be easily fixed. Go to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications and research the bottom of the list that displays websites allowed to send notifications. Once you find this Re-directing.xyz, remove it from this list. And if you find some other questionable sites here, get rid of them from this list. Basically, after all these suspicious sites are deleted, the problem should be fixed. Even though I also strongly recommend that you research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software and start researching your computer to make sure that there are no any other hidden traces of malware or adware. How to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer and browser-related problems. The program is initially in the trial mode. You may select the preferred scan type, however, remember that full scan or custom scan are only the parts of the premium version. There are some other good features in Combo Cleaner, like big files and duplicates checker. You may consider using these features. But if you want to get your PC fully fixed or at least inspected, consider the quick scan in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. The program will begin scanning your computer and it will soon discover certain problems related to your available browsers or possibly related to the other issues with your Windows computer. Then the program at the end of scan will give you the full report about the current condition of your Windows computer and Windows related browsers. You may then get the clear image of what is going on with your computer, and you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the application to get all these troubles fixed and dealt with.